Hi everyone, welcome to this week's drone video. We're going to be taking a look at some Tello footage that I was able to record yesterday. As you guys can see here, it is a little choppy and I'm not sure if this is my phone or my drone, but it is a little choppy so that you can see the video is jumping all over the place. This is not a feed. This is actually the footage that was recorded onto my phone. I was flying in a very heavily populated area, so it could have been Wi-Fi interference, but I was honestly about 5 to 6 feet away from the Tello with my Android phone. The phone I'm using is a Google Pixel, and it's one of the latest phones, so I don't understand why my footage would be jumping around like this. Another thing I do want to point out is you guys can see that the footage is a little jelly or wavy. That is the electronic stabilizer, so because there's no gimbal, it is actually just trying to do this via software, and because of the vibrations of the drone itself, this is what you're going to get. And I have seen this footage in the Parrot Bebop when I was trying to find a drone to buy, so this is one of the issues with it. In terms of actually flying, this is eye level. To me, that is, eye level is about 4'9". I am a very short person, so this was flying pretty low, and when I fly forward at a very slow pace, you can see where you're going, but because it's on your phone, it is very hard to see this in bright daylight, which is where I was flying yesterday. It was in the sun and it was kind of hard to see where I was going, but since I was 5 to 6 feet away, it wasn't too bad, because then I was able to just look at the drone and I was flying line of sight most of the time. Obviously, this drone is just a toy drone, so the footage that you're getting from it isn't going to be the best. However, it does give you 720p and it is very usable. So one of the things you want to consider is that the drone is a very light drone. It's also GPS and it's very small. It's a toy drone. It's less than 0.55 pounds, so you don't have to register it, but when the wind blows, you will fly. But just a word of warning, make sure that you are flying in a space that is wide enough for you to maneuver it if in case the wind blows. The images we get from it aren't that bad either. I have 2 photos here that I can show you guys, and I wanted to get something with a lot of color, and I was able to take some pictures of some blooming trees near my area, and the pictures aren't too bad. With a little bit of editing, you can get it to be something that is pretty good. It is very comparable to a cell phone image. If you wanted just to get some quick pictures of yourself or a group, like a selfie, you could definitely do this with the Tello. So with that, I want to thank you guys for watching. This was a very quick demo on the video as well as the photos that you can get from the Tello drone. Next week I will be back with some more drone footage for you guys from a different state. Until then, happy flying.